Hello everyone, let me show you how to set this tripod. Here you can see these are the foot. They can be set in an uneven surface. So for example, if you are setting it in this way and there is something here, okay, it adjusts itself and the tripod stands still. So here you can see this adjustment. Here it is. Just arrange the foot as wide as you want depending upon the space where you are setting the tripod, and fasten it. Just tighten it so that it won't shake in this way. If you loosen it, see here, you can arrange it according to the height as well as the space where you are mounting it, and just fasten it clockwise, tightening, and it does not shake. Here, these are the locks for extending as much as you want. Yes, you can set this tripod even on a steps. That is, what you need to do is 2 foot should be on the top step and 1 foot you can arrange the height in this way. So in this way you can mount the tripod on the steps, either 2 foot on the top step or 1 foot on the top step and 2 foot on the next step, that is lower step. And one more option is you can hang it. Here you can see they have given a hook for hanging it. This hook you can hang it from ceiling and you can use the tripod, or you can hang it when it is not in use to save space on a table or a cabinet or wardrobe, anything. So this one is for handle for carrying it, lifting it, etc. This adjustment spindle, see, it is there to raise the camera and decrease the height. Here you can see it raises and decrease it, and when you raise it you need to fasten this one so that it will get tight there and the camera does not get drop down. Tighten this, it will not drop down. Loosen it and you can again move it in this way. Here you can see. Okay, that's all. And now this part we can see, this one you can mount a camera. Take it out, take your DSLR, HandyCam, whatever it is, just fasten it. HandyCam, digital cam, whichever camera you want you can mount. Fasten the camera, fix it in this way here and lock it. So even if you hang the tripod from the ceiling, the camera won't fall. This one is for the level to level, so you can set the camera at the preferred angle. This one is with the mounting the camera, so keep it aside. So here there is a lock. When you press this lock, then only you can lock the camera. See, you just put your camera here and press it, it will get locked automatically. It should be mounted exactly. Here you can see this one, if you loosen it, so you can set the camera in different angles. For example, you have mounted it in this way. Here, and see, here the camera is mounted. I'll show it to you. Okay, here now the camera is mounted. Now if you want to shake the camera and change the angle of the camera, that is in this way here in this way, you can change the angle of the camera. So for example, portrait to landscape, so landscape and portrait, you can set it without changing the settings in the tripod or the tripod foots angle. No need to shake the tripod will be where it is. Just loosen this knob here, loosen this knob, and you can change the angle. Now fasten it. Now you want to change the angle of camera, say rotate it in this way. If you want to rotate it, see here in this way. Here there is one more knob which here they are going. See, this knob is there to loosen or fast tighten the rotating. See. So once you set the angle, just tighten it. That's it. Now it will not move. Just a moment. Okay, now it won't move. See, tightening this knob as well, and this one it doesn't move. Okay, now loosen it. And here many of them face problem with mounting this handle. Fixing this handle is a little bit complicated. I'll show it how to do that, because once the company gives you handle in this way, this nut here, this nut needs to be fixed inside. I'll show it how to do. So now for that, remove the camera. Here, press this, remove the camera, and here you can see, just loosen this. Here you can see there is a division. So what we need to do is, we need to pull this out. For that, to show it to you, I will remove this. See here, this is the camera holder or angle change angler for changing the angle of the camera. And for this, to mounting this nut, we need to remove this in this way. Take it out. Right? To remove this one, we need to remove this knob. Okay. So we took it out. Now take this nut outside. Fix it in the groove here. Here you can see there is groove for this nut. Fix it here. It should be fixed in this groove. Here. See the way. If you do not want the nut to come out, put a drop of rubber based adhesive. Don't use any instant adhesive or epoxy adhesive. Don't use only rubber based adhesive. Check whether it is at the right place. Okay. Allow it to dry, and after it dries, fix it in this way here as shown. this knob is for tightening the angle, setting the angle and tightening it. Fasten it. This one is for rotation, and here we fix the handle now. See that this visor will be here only, don't put it along with the nut. That's it. See here, now if you tighten, you can't move it up and down. Loosen it, you can move it up and down, here in this way. Fasten it or just tighten it, then you will not be able to move it. Hope this video was useful for you in arranging your new tripod or assembling it. If this video has helped you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.